Hey, what's going on, affiliate marketers? Welcome back to my another video. And do you know, guys, if you don't have an interest or in a hobby, you can't make money in ClickBank. So if you want to find how you can find your interest or hobby, then keep watching this video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can find your interest or hobby. So I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can find your hobby with ClickBank. So without further delay, let's jump into it. But before we start, guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos or any updates. So now let's get started. So now, guys, before we start this video, let me tell you what is the interest actually and what is hobby. So basically, interest is that you have knowledge about something, you have information about something. That's called interest. And hobbies, if you have interest in something and you can promote the product, you can give to the people and you can promote the product with the information, and they're happy to buy if you give them a more information about the product. Okay, so as I tell you guys, in this video I'm going to show you 3 ways to find your hobbies or your interest. So first thing first is you want to create account with ClickBank. So just click the link description below. It will take you to this page and you want to click on sign up. Then click on sign up button and fill your form and fill your information, and then you're good to go. So once you create your account, then you want to log in into your account if you haven't already. And if you have already created an account, then you just click on login here. So guys, once you create your account or login into your account, then you want to click on marketplace, and left hand side you're going to see all the categories, but we're not going to select from here. We're going to click on straight away in the search icon. Just click on it and it would give you a bunch of results, like thousands of results. As you can see, 3,000 products that you can share. You can share with other people and you can make money out of that product. So guys, first way to select product or select your hobbies or interest is gravity. So let me show you how you can do it, how you can find hobby and that product. So just type 50. So I personally use 50. I used to use 50 to 100, but now I use 100 to 200, because as I more get advanced, I will increase my gravity. And if you're just getting starting out, then what you want to do is stay with 50 to 100 gravity. It will help you to make more money on ClickBank, or you understand how this industry works. Okay, type your number 50 and then press enter. It will automatically reload your products and you can find. So as you can see, guys, here there's insanely high gravity to promote. I don't recommend it to promote this product as beginner. And let's say if you promote this product, this is the Okinawa flat belly tonic, and if you promote this, you're going to get $138 as commission. And this product has a recurring payments, recurring billing, is monthly or weekly, whatever maybe. You're gonna get $34. So once you find your product, so now what you wanna do is, guys, you wanna see which category that product is here. You want to find which category this product in here. So if you see this, it says weight loss. That means it should be in health and fitness, right? So now you wanted to find information about health and fitness. Watch videos on YouTube, read books, read articles, and read anything about health and fitness. So what it does, couple of weeks, you're going to notice you have interest in the health and fitness. So that's how you find your interest. And a couple of days and couple of months, you're going to find hobbies in the interest, health and fitness, and you realize you get some interest on the product. Once you get all the information about health and fitness, then you're going to be based on that product, so you can give more information to the product, people, and then you're able to make money online with your hobbies. That's how you select your hobbies. So there's only one way to select your hobbies or find your hobbies. Okay, and now let me show you the second way to select your hobbies. So second way is using YouTube. So if you go to YouTube, let me show you. So guys, you want to go to the YouTube and you want to type ClickBank, and as you can see, this channel is official YouTube ClickBank channel. Okay, So if you click on this, they review the product on monthly basis, on weekly basis, guys. So just you want to click on the that video and watch that video. And what you can do here is, let me show you quickly. So you can go to description and you can find the product, and then once you find your product, then what you want to do is, let's say you find again Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, and you want to go to the ClickBank and find the category here. As we find the category, it's in the health and fitness. So as I told you, just read about the health and fitness, read about the articles, read the blogs, and watch the videos about health and fitness, and gather all the information. So just gather all the information, and next thing you find is you get some interest in health and fitness, and that interest, and if you're going to give to the someone, and if you try to sell the product, you're going to be successful in the affiliate marketing. So that's the second way. And third way is you already have interest or hobby. And now let me explain you what is it. So you have hobby to make money online, right? You wanted to make money online, that's why you watch this video. You are in affiliate marketing. You wanted to make money, big money with commission. So what you can do here is, you want to, in this box, you can type here 100. That means it would automatically charge reload products that is above the commission above the 100. As you can see, it only shows that commission above the 100. And then you can select any product from here. Lean, as you can see, lean belly, that goes to the health and fitness, right? You want to just scroll down and you want to find your perfect product, and then you want to find the category here of that product, and then you would have to read about that product. So that's how you find your interest and your hobby, and you become, as I told you, you become based on that product. And then if you, as I told you guys, then if you promote that product, you'll be a different person, completely different person, guys. And that's it for video, guys, and I hope you like this video. And if you do, then make sure you like this hit the like button and press the subscribe button so you don't miss any updates or any upcoming videos.